Bling! Huh?
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel Daily Doodles for you, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Mr. Wolf from the new DreamWorks movie The Bad Guys. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a comment, maybe like the video, maybe share it with somebody who you think would like this video too, and let's get started. So I'm going to start drawing Mr. Wolf with his eyes. So I'm going to do a line there, and then I'm going to do a little curve like that. And then inside, I'm going to do a circle like that, and leave a little circle, and then color the rest of it all dark. And now I'm going to give it a little bit of space, and I'm going to do another eye. So I'm going to try to match them up, try to make them around the same size. But it's okay if they're not exactly totally the same. They don't have to be perfect. Alright, so I'm going to do that circle right here, and then that little circle inside, and color everything else dark. Okay. And now let's do some eyebrows. So we're gonna do a little line right there, and then come on down like that. We're slanting downward. And come up a little bit. Slant up. And then meet that point we started with. And now I'm gonna color that in all dark. Alright, so now let's do the other eyebrow. So this one, it doesn't have to be exactly the same as this one. I'm going to make this one come up a little bit further, like that. And a little line there. And then we're slanting upward, and then meeting that point right there. And coloring that in all dark. Alright, and I'm going to put maybe a little line there, right there, there. And now let's go down a little tiny bit, and we're going to give him a nose. So I'm going to do a little curve right there. Kind of just a little curve. So if you were to turn it this way, then it's kind of like a C. And I'm going to lightly do a little part right there, a little line. And then I'm going to do a shape like this. And let's color this one in dark. Not the entire nose, but just the front part of the nose. Okay. Alright, so now I'm actually going to do a little bit of the head part here. So let's give him a little bit of fur up here. And an ear. Do some little inside bits of fur right there. And start to come down here on this side. And give him a bit of fur here for the cheeks and the sides of the face. But over here, let's do the other ear. And the inside of that one. And we can come on down the side of the face, same as the other side, and start to give it little bits of fluff there on the sides. Little bits of fur. As we're working our way kind of down the face here. And we can start to give him his mouth now. We can give him a little bit of a smile. Okay, like that. And we're gonna have his mouth open a little bit. And I'm gonna color that in dark. Okay, and now let's work on the outfit. So let's bring the neck down a bit, like that. Oh, actually, I'm gonna give up here a little line like this. Okay, so now let's work on the outfit. Let's do the collar of his shirt. So we can come down like this and come on up. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. So we can come on down and go in like that. And then the shirt's gonna come down this way, and then we can put a few little buttons here. And then we can do a line right here and a line right here. And now we can do a line coming this way and then coming in and coming out again and then coming back in. And do the same over on the other side. And then a line going this way and a line going that way for the shoulders. And I'm gonna do a line coming in here and coming in here. And one there and one there. So we've got the chest of his outfit, and then we can see the beginning of 2 arms here. All right, so I'm actually gonna start adding some color. All right, everyone, so we are finished our picture. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Goodbye!